let's move forward without further ado. I would like to ask head committee, let's start.
Paano po kami gaganahan kung wala pong masigawan?
Of the East, second princess. And recently, I am the most trending Bekshi ng Maynila, second port princess.
Santa Cruz. Baka naman. Hi, hello, hi, mabuhay. This is again Ashley May.
Unfortunately, from Barangay Santa Cruz, dyan, wala po bang hiyawan dyan? Maraming salamat po. Magbigay galang dahil nandito na ang tunay na Diyosa.
Wala ko bang palakpakan dyan? Wala rin ko bang hiyawan dyan?